One of the most useful features of Operations Center is Field Analyzer Beta. In order to access Field Analyzer Beta, select the Tools button in the top left-hand corner and scroll down to Field Analyzer Beta. Notice there is also a Field Analyzer. Field Analyzer Beta is a new and improved version and allows us to analyze things a little bit more closely and more in depth. Once in Field Analyzer Beta, you can select the field you would like to look at on the left-hand side. Select the field. Then the most recent map for the field will be pulled up. Notice there's a filter in the top left-hand corner that gives you the ability to show any flags that are currently active for the field. I can see there is a flag in the corner of this field that is named guide wire that was originally created on April 26, 2019. In most cases, you probably will not wish to show flags. Simply uncheck and close the filter. On the left-hand side, it asks how you would like the maps displayed. We can do a simple overview, which is just looking at one map. We can select Compare to show two maps side by side at the same time. We can also do an Overlay, which will layer two maps on top of each other. Or we can choose the Difference map, which shows average yield versus current year's yield and then shows the differences between the two. For now, we're going to stick with overview mode. We can see our 2020 seeding map. If I would like to look at a different map, I can simply go under operation number 1 and select a different map. Notice there is a soil map available in Field Analyzer Beta if you have an active boundary for the field. We can see our soil types in our legend as well as see them on the map. I'm going to pick my 2020 seeding for soybeans. I can expand my legend and see the different rates that were planted in the field. I can click on the legend and it will show those areas of the field. I also have the ability in Field Analyzer Beta to edit legends if I would wish to do so. If I would like to see more color ranges, I can hit the plus icon and I can manually enter new rates as well as distribute those evenly across the range. You can also set up legend templates and save those and apply to different fields. You can see now with my custom legend I have more available colors than I did when I started. As you can see, we have a summary tab which shows starting time, ending time for the operation, operator name and license number if those were filled out in the display in the cab. I can see my average rate, total amount applied, target rate, target total, along with area worked in the field. I can see the varieties that were logged to the field and then also weather conditions, assuming they were physically entered on the display in the cab. At the top, we have a selection tool to look at more specific areas of the field. We have a circle selection, a square selection, as well as a polygon. Polygon will be utilized in most applications. If I would like to look at a specific area of the field, I can simply draw a polygon around that area of the field and get more information just on the selected area. We can see our summary is updating Notice you can drag the summary up or down to better view. So we can see within our selected area, the start time is later than the start time for the rest of the field. So we have the full operation, which is the entire field, and just the information on the selected area that we highlighted on the map. We can also see rate information and variety information just for the selected area. When complete, select the clear button to get back to the original view. I also have the ability to print this map out, selecting export, and you will see a PDF report download in the lower left corner. Select the PDF report to see the report that will be generated. Then you can select the print icon if you wish to print the map out or email or share in another way. Once complete, close out the report.